So they have supported in everything that we have taken decision. The school, the ground, the renovation works that we have been doing in the constituency. So I think we would like to thank them, and we would like to also say that our Sarpanch Bhai Sandra could not be here today. कित्याक तेगेलो भाव एक पाद्री आहा आनी तो आज तेगेली बर्थडे, so she could not be here. Rest all the panchayat is over here. A special thanks to the PWD building department. And the PWD building department, I think the one main person who I can take the name without anyone being offended. The entire system is there. He Kennedy आहा सद्या, he Elvis आल्लो हाज्या पयलो. But the main आपको इस्कला जो आपको पेज जो गेल्लो ते जावन आमगे जे असिस्टंट इंजिनियर पळय लागले आता ही हा पळय ज्युनियर इंजिनियर आले बाय मालिनी. I think we need to give this entire team, Malini, Bridges, Kennedy and Elvis, a big round of applause. And when I say this PWD building, I would like to also thank Sri Digambar Kamath, the PWD minister, who has become now the minister, and the final approvals had come from him. So I think this is the entire team that helped us. Mugele सगळे गांवचे लोकांक, मुगे स्टाफ, अफसा स्टाफ, मुझ बारा शिकलोले, मुगे आज जे क्लासमेट्स आहाय तेंका आमचो पास जाल्लो. आज ती बोर्डाचेर एक धाकटो असो फोटो दिसती पडटा पळयलो, and that is how I look, that is how I passed when I was in the 10th standard. And from there to become a captain on the ship was my profession, and today I stand here as a proud legislator. कित्याक तुमकां वोट निवडून हाडला आनी तुमगे वोटाची अकाउंटेबिलिटी आख्खे गोंयभरांत दाखोवन दिली. and I am proud to say that you see me here delivering things that you all wanted. So saying this, my childhood, हांव ल्हान आसतना 8 वरांचे इस्कॉल कमेस जातालें, भुरगीं सगळीं इस्कॉला वयतालीं आनी हांव बॅग घेवन भायर सरतालो गेटी कडेन, मम्मी म्हाका घरा व्हर, आंटी म्हाका घरा व्हर म्हणून. भुरगीं इस्कॉला वयतालीं आनी हांव म्हाका घरा व्हर म्हणून हांव इस्कॉलांतून पत्तो येतालो that I don't want to go to school. So this is when children used to go to school at 8 o'clock and हांव इस्कॉलासून भायर सरतालो म्हाका घरा व्हर, I don't want to go to school. From there to passing my 10th standard, I was the topper in this school, and from there I went to shipping. I grew to be a master mariner. मुझे बिजनेस कॉमर्स केले आणि आज एक लेजिस्लेटर आमदार म्हणून तूं जिम्मेदार आहा. हांव एकूच सांगता तुका, ज्यो मुगे सगल्यो टिचऱ्यो जे म्हाका शिकयला, म्हाका मॅथ्स शिकयला जाल्यार दाते टिचरीन शिकयला, म्हाका हिंदी शिकयला जाल्यार दादू सरान शिकयला, कोंकणी शिकयला जाल्यार संजय सरान शिकयला, सायन्स शिकयला जाल्यार फ्रांसीस सर, क्लिफर्ड सर हायसन शिकयला, आंतोनेट आंटी म्हणटा हांव कित्याक मुगे सोयराची, बट शी हॅज बीन हियर. पास्कॉल आहा आमगेलो, आमगे एलिस टिचर आहा, LC टीचर आहा, सगळे टिचर, पेरपे टीचर आहा, सगळ्यांगे नांव चुकल जाल्यार. बट दिस इज द टीम that educated me, educated a lot of us. I think let's give them a round of applause. हांव जेन्ना जिखील तेन्नासून ह्या सरकाराचो एक पोस्ट म्हाका असो दिता आनी हो सरकार केसोय दिना. जे दिसा हांव सरकारान आसतलो, I will ensure the first thing what I will do is to make sure that all contractual teachers are made permanent. All teachers are given the TR designation. दोतोर आल्या डॉक्टर बरयताय, आदोगाद आल्या एडी वी बरयताय, टिचरीक TR डेजिग्नेशन आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्चुअल टिचरींग परमनंट करपाक. नो मोर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टीचर्स. ऑल टीचर्स दॅट आर गोइंग टू बी इन एनी स्कूल, जावं ती डायसेसन स्कूल, एडेड स्कूल, नॉन एडेड स्कूल, should be all permanent, should be on the government system. And this is a dream that I want to make sure I want to achieve this towards all the teaching faculties in Goa. And I think this dream can be possible only with intention, with support. And I would ask your guidance, your blessings to take this dream ahead. हांव जेन्ना असेंब्लींत उलयता, हांव जेन्ना वस्त सांगता, थोड्यो वस्तू I have shown, I have led the path. Today, this school has happened from my MLA fund. MLA fund approved to the Chief Minister. I would like to acknowledge and thank him for approving this diocesan school, aided school. गोंयांत MLA फंडांतल्यान पयशे खंयच्याय डायसेसन स्कुलाक घायले नाय. हांवें जेन्ना मुगे अपील घेवन गेलो, ही अप्रूव्ड इट आनी आज हे इस्कॉल आमी रेनोवेट करून चयले. पूण एसेंब्लीन हांव जेन्ना तेका डिमांड घाता, तो डिमांड म्हाका तेणें फुलफील केलो जायो. Not only Sacred Heart of Jesus High School, all diocesan schools, all aided schools, क्रिस्तावां गेली, कोंकण्यां गेली, मुसलमानां गेली, गव्हर्नमेंटां गेली, सगळी इस्कॉलांक फंड दिवपा जायो, सगळी इस्कॉलां रेनोवेट करून, अपग्रेड करून, अपलिफ्ट करपा जाय. And this is the demand today from this. As I thank the Chief Minister, I also like to put a demand to him. आमगे गोंय जितली diocesan इस्कॉल आहाय तांकां फंड दिवन हे अपग्रेड करपा जाय. And this is what is going to be a dream for Goa, a dream for education, irrelevant who is forming the government next, who is in the present government today. इस्कॉलांक म्हाका दिसता पयसो घालपा जायो हो प्रायोरिटीचे घालपा जायो. ब्रिजो, रस्ते, डांबर हे सगळे आडान करूं जाता. पयस नाही जाल्यार पूण इस्कॉला डेव्हलपमेंट इज द की. बिकॉज सक्सेस कम्स फ्रॉम हियर. एड्युकेशन इज द बॅकबोन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. आनी जरी तरी आमकां सगळ्यांक एड्युकेटेड भुरगीं भायर सरनाय जाल्यार इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ डिफिकल्ट कंट्री, अ डिफिकल्ट नेशन. आज जेन्ना हांव सक्सेसाचें सांगता, आम ल्हान आसतना बोटी वयताय, जोडू सोदताय, घर बांदताय, काजार जाताय, सगळें करताय. That time we think about our success. And yes, when we talk about our success, yes, success has no shortcuts. But today, I think every one of us need to draw a line. Success cannot always be for me and I. A line has to be drawn, and I have drawn that line. Success is to build and achieve things for others. I have started to gauge my success by making sure that my people of my constituency get the best out of me, and this is the story of success that I will count from as a legislator. And तुमचे दिसती पडटा is my success story as a legislator. म्हाका न्हू पूण मुगे लोकां पासत, and this is I think what is called true success. And हे सक्सेसाक जरी तरी आम सगळे एकठांय जावन फोकस करून आम जरी तरी काम केलें जाल्यार I think Goa is going to be a model state. हांव उलोवपाक I can speak a lot. I would like to thank and acknowledge all the effort, every decision, step by step, that my mother has supported me, my wife has supported me. It is not an easy journey. आज संजय सरांची उतरू उलयला. I think I really owe you sir. तुमचे म्हाका शिकयला, तुमचे उलयला, काळजास उलयला. आज आमदार जाल म्हणटरी जायते फेसूंक पडटा. फादर लुसिराकडेन आतां थोडो उलयतालो. मॅनेजमेंटान घडोवन हाडपाक वचतो जायतो वचपाक जाताय. जॉइन जाल्यार आमगेलो. Nobody would say anything for Henry before Henry joined politics. But today there is so many things being said, and this is all just to make sure that we get defamed, we stop our good work. And what is our good work? Our good work and my good work is to achieve success, and the definition of success is to ensure that my people get what they want. आणि मुगे लोकांक सक्सेसफुल चोवपाक, मुगे लोकांक सिरीज दिवपाक, मुगे लोकांक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिवपाक जरी तरी म्हाका कोण हाडप दिता, I think you need to be my backbone, you need to support me to make sure we do not stop this success. So today, at this proud moment, हस्ता दिसाक जेन्ना हांव सगळ्यांक देव बरो करून म्हणून दिता, हांव एकूच सांगूंक दिता, it is not difficult to be in the opposition and work to make sure things are done. आणि हे जर डिफिकल्ट जालो जाल्यार हांव ह्यो सगळ्यो वस्तू करूंक पावनालो. इंटेंशन प्रोसेस आसपाक गरजेचें. द इंटेंशन टू स्टे वेर यू आर, स्टे ग्राउंडेड, स्टे एंकर्ड and then deliver. And this is what I have learned from my leader who had the trust in me and who put me on this position to deliver today, and that is Shri Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party, and I would like to give him a big round of applause. आज तेच जरी तरी मुझे विश्वास करू ना. आज सगळ्यो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी वेंजी बरे येता आनी म्हणटाय तूं आमकां जॉइन जाव. तूं पयलीं 2022 हूंय आसले. आज वेंजी परफॉर्म करूं लागलो, तुमकां आमदारांक जायना. ते जेन्ना वेंजी कोण दाखयता तेन्ना तुमकां वेंजी तुमकां जॉइन जावंक जाय. पूण पयलीं विश्वास दवर वेंजीचे कोणें. वेंजीचे विश्वास दवरलो तुमी लोकांनी, आनी तुम लोकांनी झाडू सिंबलाचेर पकडी करून हाडलो. आनी हांव तुमकां आज विश्वास दिता, एंड आय एम putting up a promise here, I will continue to stay with my party. I will not jump to any other party, and I only want your support to be with me the way I am, and then I think we will be able to change the face of this. So, saying this, I would like to thank everyone out here. Today, consistency is important. जायते वस्तू आज घडून हाडल्यो आमी, जायते मॉडेल आमी करून दाखयले. बट हे एक मॉडेलांतल्यान जायते टीम वर्क इनवॉल्ड आसता. आयज टीम वर्कान हांव PWD बिल्डिंगाक why I would like to acknowledge and take their name again and again is because this department has been incredibly doing the best things that is required for us from this MLA fund. They have done the solar for me. They have done my entire 8 schools. 8 iskola. Ami 2023 we have done rainwater rooftop harvesting. कोणे केलं ना rooftop harvesting म्हणले. That we have done. इको solar केलो. आज आमगेले इस्कॉल renovate जाता. My dream is to make sure आमगेलो आख्यो गोंयचभर इगोज्यो, गोंयचभर इस्कॉला, गोंयचभर देवळां आनी गोंयचभर मस्जिदां सगळी सोलार वचपा जाय. हे सरकाराचो जाता जाल्यार तुम कराय आनी तुमकां जो तरी जायना लोकांक आमकां एक चान्स दितो. आमी हें करून दाखयतले. हांवें मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी करून दाखयला. आख्खें गोंय करून दाखोवपाची कापास्ताद हांव दाखयता. हांवें मुगेले डायसिसन इस्कॉल सरकारागे पयशांतल्यान हांवें जरी तरी 2 कोटी 2 crores इफ वी हॅव स्पेंड ऑन दीस स्कूल जाल्यार गोंयभर डायसिसन स्कूल करून दाखोवपाची कापास्ताद मुको आहा. I will lead the part and I will do it. Give us your support. Have the trust in me. The way my panchayats, मुगे लोकांनी, मुगे कर्मणकारांनी मुझे विश्वास करता भाशेन गोंयभर लोकांक मुझे विश्वास करपाची गरज आहा. I will lead this battle ahead and we will make sure that this infrastructure for education and health is being developed to these hands that you all are going to give for the community. Yes, Agon, I would like to ask the blessings of everybody out here. It is a tough journey for me. It is not easy. I coming from a shipping background, a professional background. जे जाग्यार एक कैप्टन म्हणून हांव काम करता, there is zero tolerance, zero mistakes. And today with departments, today with so much of things that are happening in Goa, it is so difficult to perform. Departmenटाक गेले जाल्यार होस्ट सारकें जायनाय, टायमार मेळनाय. It is really frustrating. So with all this, Janda, I am going against the tide. The next level is going to be very difficult. We need to make sure that our community, our people are protected. They get everything to do that they want. Nobody should able to dominate us. Kit खावपा जाय, kit जेवपा जाय, kit न्हेसपा जाय, kit करू जाय, kit करू नाका. This nobody should able to do. We all should have the right to eat what we want, to sit where we want, to wear what we want. And हे जर तर करतलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हो बोजो जो बाणाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमगे लोकांक हाडलो आहा, हो बोजो गोंयभर दिवपाची गरज आहा. I have walked the talk. आज 300 शेत पुरयताय. 39 हेयाचेर हे लीप घेवन दोंगर दाखयताय. हांवें एकूय दोंगर दाखयल ना, एकूय शेत पुरयल ना आनी हांवें एकूय शेत मुखार हांव लायफा पुरोवपा ना. हे म्हज्यांनी सगळ्यांक आज तुमकां एक शपथ दिवपाक जाता. I will not do. But I cannot take responsibility of everybody else. जे कोण कोताय म्हज्यान तेंगे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जायना. I can lead by example and you should have that faith in me. हांवें जरी तरी 49 of my years, next year I am going to turn 50. 49 वर्सां, if I have walked the path of truth, honesty and sincerity, I can only ensure you that I will be honest, I will be sincere, and I will ensure that the people of Goa will get everything that they deserve on giving us an opportunity to lead Goa. हमके एक chance दिया है. Thank you everyone for having the trust in me. I shall energetically continue my work for public service. There is lot to be done. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है by starting one school. पूरे गोवा के स्कूल सगळे गोंयची इस्कॉलां, सगळे गोंयची इगोज्यो, देवळां, मस्जिदां आमकां डेव्हलप करपा जाय. So this is just the trailer. The picture is going to start from 2027. हे सांगून घेऊ बरोबर. Thank you.
Where young minds are formed, talents are discovered, and the future is prepared. The new infrastructure is a sign of our commitment to providing a better learning. The well-equipped classrooms, the modern laboratories, a library, activity spaces, sports facilities, and improved technology will surely help the students to create better interest in themselves and build confidence among themselves. A good infrastructure does not only support academic excellence, but also creative discipline, teamwork, and overall development. When students have proper facilities, they are encouraged to explore, innovate, and achieve their dreams. However, I can say the true strength of a school is not only in the building, but in the dedication of teachers and the hard work of students. The new facilities are opportunities which we must use them responsibly and make good use of this facility. Let us all be grateful to our Honorable MLA who has taken interest to create this new infrastructure and made this new infrastructure become a foundation of knowledge, character, and success for many generations of students to come. May God bless the teachers, the students, and all of us present here. May we collaborate together to help this school to grow to higher heights. May God bless us all and give us the necessary strength and grace to continue functioning as good Christians and good citizens of our state. Thank you. God bless you all.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.